AEG, end of life. In previous YouTube video, I took parts from this and transposed it into this one. This one recently began to act up. It doesn't hit on. I know the sensor works, but it just doesn't want to come on. Sometimes it comes on, sometimes it doesn't. Who knows? Maybe it's being affected by a magnetic field. Anyway, it's just intermittent. And when I took it apart, it also exhibits leak. So there's watermarks there, and it just shows me that it's beginning to leak, and that's becoming a problem, health hazard. It will become a source of electrical shock. So I've decided to just put it away and get a replacement. This one also it's really pretty old. As you can see, the discoloration. This is over 20. So when I took this apart, the sensor was stuck inside the tube. So really bad. So I took parts from it also to repair one of these. So they're becoming a spare parts. Probably that doesn't have a watermark, so it's not leaking yet. But I won't risk it. It's too old. So this one, as you can see, lots of watermarks. It really leaks like crazy. This is where the first video where it gave my wife electrical shock. So this is the one. And then this one failed. So I took parts from this. I can't remember what parts I took, but I exchanged them. And yeah. So 3. That's just the end of life. 15 years old. They don't last. So don't factor in to think that these will last a lifetime. I mean your lifetime, a person's lifetime. It isn't. They're actually their main time between failure is maximum 15 years old. So and this is German made or German designed. Or Germany manufactured. So Germans tends to over-engineer things. They may have done this to provide life close to 15 years, but not more than that. That's how it is. So the AEG was replaced by this model. It's really nice water tank. So it's all touch. Turn it on, and it gives you the water temperature, and 35 is the target temperature. Here it gives you the kilowatts. You can actually adjust the kilowatts. The thing that you adjust is the up or down arrow. So I'm going to turn the water on. So with the water running, it now wants to reach 35 degrees target. It adjusts the kilowatts to reach a target temperature. So if I go up arrow, 36, 37. No, you don't want to get too hot. Actually, it'll turn the fuse off. Or trigger the fuse. So you can go down. So it's good. This thing actually preset the temperature, so you don't have to adjust. On the next shower, for example, disable the preset, re-enable it. So yeah, it's all touch. This is the input. So it has two sensors. both are flow sensor and also at the same time temperature. So it detects the water coming in and the water coming out to the shower head. So it then changes the temperature according to input temperature and then the output. So it's both a flow and then also temperature sensor. So it's a great technology, whereas the AEG just uses it's an on-off or bang-on, bang-off type technology. This one detects the flow, at the same time the temperature of the water flowing, and adjusts accordingly. Now the messages are all in Chinese, and of course the manual, they try to translate it into English, but the English explanation is like it's like Google translated. It doesn't make sense. So I experimented. There's not much experiment. So like if I go up, it changes the kilowatts, as you can see. And if you go up to like 42, you're making coffee. So yeah, this you can get from Lazada for 2,000 peso delivered to you. So I thought that was good. I bought two of these since there's two shower stalls here in the house. So they gave me two different models, but the technology are the same. So it's nice. If you're wanting to save the AEG water tank, heater tank, I don't know, it's too risky, especially if it's too old. Get a new one, better technology, and it allows you to control the temperature in a digital way. So it's a good product, this type of model.